Hello everyone, this is Knox. You know it's locked down everywhere due to the corona. It's probably a good time to clear my dusty to-do list. Well, the challenge here I'm about to take is simply training my non-dominant left hand to overtake my dominant right hand. Here's my plan. There will be two stages. Stage 1, similarity. My left hand will be copying my right hand's writing until they look pretty much the same, where we can't tell the difference at all. Stage 2, similarity and speed. My left hand needs to catch up with my right hand's normal writing speed and maintains high similarity. Well, that sounds really very tough, but yeah, let's give it a shot. The contents are really common: alphabet, numbers, and punctuation. So we will break it down one by one. So today let's focus on alphabet. But actually, I'm not sure how much time we would take in alphabet. Maybe 1 week or two, or maybe months, or maybe years. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. This is my role model. So we're gonna copy it. And let's start off by writing down a date. What's today's date? 25. Okay. Oh, we already making numbers here. 25. I mean, oh, it's so hard to control, but yep, we're gonna make it 0. For April and 2020 to 0 to 0. Yep, there we go. Um, um, and again, our target in this session is to, get a high similarity. So yeah, we just slowly copy it. Let's do it. All right. A and B. Well, and C. Well, and D. A little bit weird, but yeah, that's good. And we're gonna do it. F and it's literally so hard to control. And well, my G is a little bit off, but that's fine. And I, J, and K. And guess what? We're back into the kindergarten. Remember that in the kindergarten I copied the words A to Z, different words, vocabulary, 10 times, even 100 times. That was actually so memorable. And R and S T. I think today we might only work on uppercase. I still need a lot of work on it. W. Take a look at this piece of artwork and a little bit force on thumb. And Y Z. Yep, there we go. A little bit out of shape. And second row and A. Whoop. B. Yeah. C. D. And slow is the key. I'm a little bit too fast. And here with G again. Oops, yeah. H, I, and J, K, and L. Well, and M for Madonna. Well, and N, little circle, and P. And I think during this special period, lockdown period, we spent a lot of time at home. I mean, it's gorgeous that we could wisely use it, especially do something that you've always wanted to do, like doing some challenges, clear your to-do list. Like I'm writing my by my undominant hand. That's meaningful stuff. And boom, there we have line 2. And let's move on line 3. A, oops, A, and let's make it much more slower than the previous line, as what we know is slow makes perfect. D and E, yeah, and F, and here we go to G, and a little bit curved down here, and there we go. And the other reason that I made this video is to try to make myself to be more consistent on any kind of stuff, because I'm not consistent all the way all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make it, try to upload the videos, like try to make it daily stuff, you know. And meantime, I can learn some skill, and that's really cool. Um, R S M T U V W X Y and Z. Um, let's review my masterpiece. This is my role model. This is my masterpiece, and here's a quick comparison. As you can see, my masterpiece actually readable. Wow, that's actually a really good sign. Unfortunately, they are all deformed, which means I need to work it harder tomorrow. Maybe I take it more slower to make it similar to my role model. So yeah, that's it. And everybody takes care of yourself and stay tuned, because I'll be uploading videos every day till I beat my right hand up. And don't forget to comment, like and subs. Share the video if you could. I will see you tomorrow.